Hello everyone. Welcome to the Project and Workflow Suite. This platform is designed to help teams manage projects, tasks, workflows, time tracking, and team collaboration from one secure and easy-to-use system. Let's begin with the login page. The user enters a valid email address and password to sign in securely. After a successful login, the main dashboard opens. The dashboard provides a complete overview of ongoing projects, active users, completed tasks, and overall team performance. It also displays important statistics and recent activities, helping managers monitor daily progress. Now, let's move to the Time and Oversight dashboard. This section allows managers to track working hours, monitor project timelines, and review team productivity. It helps ensure that every project stays on schedule. Next, we open the Master Insights dashboard. Here, users can view project performance, progress charts, pending milestones, and task completion reports. These insights help teams make better decisions and improve project planning. Now, let's move to the New Case module. This section displays active cases and project requests. Users can create new cases, assign team members, set priorities, and monitor the current status of every task. Next, we open the inbox. Here, users receive project updates, notifications, comments, and important messages. This keeps communication organized and ensures that no important update is missed. Now, let's move to the appearance settings. Users can customize the interface by choosing between light mode and dark mode according to their preference. This creates a more comfortable and personalized workspace. Next, we open the Search Everything feature. Users can quickly search for projects, tasks, team members, files, or workspace information from one place. This makes navigation faster and improves productivity. Finally, we open the Account Settings page. Here, users can update their personal information, change passwords, manage profile settings, and maintain account security. The Project and Workflow Suite provides a complete solution for managing projects, workflows, communication, and team collaboration. It helps organizations improve productivity, save time, reduce manual work, and keep every project well organized.